Aloha, this is Daniel with Pre-Owned Motor Cars. Just wanted to show you another new arrival. Here's our 2022 Toyota Tacoma. This one's got just under 100 miles. It's pretty much brand new. It's got all the factory warranty on it still. That'll get you coverage from 3 years up to 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. Your powertrain is going to cover you 5 year or 60,000 miles. This one comes with gray cloth interior. Seats are in great condition, obviously. And you get the WeatherTech mats too, the rubberized ones. And then you actually get a power driver's seat with this one too, which is really nice. There's the miles, 98 miles on the dash right now. Got a decent sized touchscreen for all your infotainment needs. And this one does come with the power sliding rear window too. On top of that, this one's also going to get the lane departure warning. You're also going to get your cruise control, or advanced cruise control, I should say. It's the only difference from regular cruise control. You're going to set your speed and then how many vehicle distances you want to stay away from the vehicle in front of you. And it'll do all the accelerating and all the braking for you. You just got to man the steering. This one is a double cab. It's equipped with a V6 motor too, like you see in a lot of the TRD models. And it is four-wheel drive, of course. You already have a protected bed. So this one's pretty much ready to go. So let us know if you're looking for a Tacoma or a mid-sized truck. We got an option here for you. You can reach us at 808-334-1111, or you can go on our website, hawaiicar.com. We should have more info on this one for you. If you want to get pre-qualified too, just hit that financing tab. It's right at the top. Once you fill out the form, we should be able to get you an answer pretty quickly. And again, my name's Daniel with Pre-Owned Motor Cars. So if you have any questions, please give us a call, or you can more than welcome to stop by. We're usually here from Monday through Saturday.